Reviving neglected gardens can be a rewarding project that brings new life to your outdoor space. Here are some tips to help you transform overgrown gardens into vibrant and well-maintained areas. 1. Assessment and planning. By assessing the current state of the garden, identify the plants that are salvageable and those that need to be removed. Take note of the existing hardscape elements, paths, walls, structures, and decide if they need repairs or replacement. Consider your preferences and needs for the garden's future design. Are you looking for a vegetable garden, flower beds, a seating area, or a combination of these? 2. Clearing and pruning. Start by removing weeds, overgrown vegetation, and any debris from the garden. This will provide a clean canvas to work with. Prune and trim plants that can be saved. Remove dead branches and shape the plants to encourage healthy growth. 3. Soil improvement. Test the soil to determine its EA and nutrient levels. Amend the soil with compost, organic matter, and fertilizers to improve its quality. Mulch the soil to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and provide insulation for plant roots. 4. Design and layout. Plan the layout of your garden based on your preferences and the conditions of the space, sunlight, drainage, etc. Choose a focal point or a central feature that will draw the eye and provide a visual anchor for the garden. 5. Plant selection. Select plants that are well suited to your climate, soil type, and the amount of sunlight the garden receives. Opt for a mix of perennial and annual plants to ensure year-round interest and color. Consider native plants, as they are often easier to maintain and provide habitat for local wildlife. 6. Hardscaping and structures. Repair or replace any damaged hardscape elements. This could include paths, fences, trellises, and seating areas. Add new features such as garden benches, decorative containers, or sculptures to enhance the garden's aesthetic. 7. Maintenance routine. Establish a regular maintenance routine to keep the garden looking its best. This includes watering, weeding, pruning, and fertilizing as needed. Stay attentive to the growth of plants and make adjustments to their placement if they're not thriving as expected. 8. Sustainability and eco-friendly practices. Consider implementing eco-friendly practices such as rainwater harvesting, composting, and using natural pest control methods. Choose drought-tolerant plants to reduce water consumption and opt for organic fertilizers to minimize chemical inputs. 9. Patience and long-term vision. Reviving a neglected garden is a process that takes time. Be patient and don't expect immediate results. Have a long-term vision for your garden's development and allow it to evolve gradually over time. 10. Seek professional help if needed. If the garden's condition is particularly challenging, or if you're unsure about certain aspects of garden restoration, consider seeking help from professional landscapers or horticulturists. Remember, transforming a neglected garden requires effort and dedication, but the results can be incredibly rewarding. Enjoy the process of bringing beauty and vitality back to your outdoor space.